Today in this video, we will talk about how to cancel Bluey subscription on Android and iOS. So all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Please note, you can cancel your subscription to the platform where you originally purchased it. Method 1. Cancel Bluey subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, and then Subscriptions. Select Bluey from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation, and follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel a Bluey premium subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select Bluey app from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription, and follow the prompts, and you are done. So by using this method, you can easily cancel Bluey app subscription on Android and iOS. Hopefully this video will be helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply to you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.